Here's a quick Kalodata update. So Kalodata is one of the software tools that I like to use in terms of finding winning products for TikTok affiliate. And it's one of the best tools that I've used for that purpose. And recently they have reached 1 million users. So as a result, they are running this promotion to offer 20% off on all plans for the entire month of November. And on top of that, you can get additional 10% off by using my promo code KUMO, KUMO at checkout. So that will make it a great deal. So I want to provide that information out there in case you have been contemplating on getting a subscription from Kalodata. Now may be a good time to do so. And if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on exactly how Kalodata works and how it can help you find winning products easier, I have a video on that and I'll link it down below. But regardless of going with a paid plan or not, you can always sign up for a free trial first to see if it's something that you would find useful. And I'll link that down below in the description as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave me a comment.